Okay, these do-rags, you know, let's see how many is in here. We got about, what's that, about 4 do-rags in one wave, in one cap. Also, you know, I didn't even know they got Instagram, they got Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I thought they only had an Instagram. So I'm gonna show y'all all that stuff up close, and y'all can get to check out me unboxing these by hand right now like we always do, man. Let's get Alright, I got a little grease on it, but here's their card right here, 3kingsmerch.com. Here's their, you know, social medias. Right there, everything 3 King merch, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. Everything that will be linked down below. Okay, here we got the first do-rag, you know. Already off the rip, I like it because they got the packaging that says 3 Kings merch. Who you know out here throwing a stuff on their packages, man, on both sides, you know. You know, let's throw that off to the left. You know, we always just throw the extra stuff we don't need off to the left. Okay, we got a Bape, and I forgot the other brand collab. I forgot that brand. It's a dope brand, but I forgot it, you know. But, you know, nice little do-rag. Of course, you know, that's gonna be like that. Other than that, I can already tell. Pretty stretchy, you know. Ain't gonna rip on you. Yeah, that's pretty stretchy, you know. You could tell this not gonna rip on you. You know, we test everything. That's stretchy. That's not gonna rip. String's pretty long on it, as y'all can see. Pretty long. Yeah, but that's the first one, man. It's not that bad. It's pretty stretchy off the rip. Y'all could tell. That's not gonna rip on you. That's not gonna rip. You know, most of these designer like do-rags, they don't come like this, man. Like I told y'all, I'm already liking it because they got their logo on the plastic. Who is going to that extra mile? You could tell they mean business. I mean, nice folded up, and it's put in here. They got a whole little compartment. Come on now, nobody's going to that extra mile to. Come on, see that? That's what you call time and dedication that they putting out to put on these bags. Somebody else, they got to make these bags along with their do-rags. These has to get made separately with the do-rags. That's extra, you know. Then they got to put them in there, fold them the right way. It's a lot to it, man. Here we got a little, you know, Louis Vuitton Supreme collab do-rag. Once again, string's pretty long. But that's how these, you know, designer do-rags go. Nice little long string so you could do what you want with it. You know, of course, the inside's like this, nice and silky. You know. Once again, we're going to test the stretch. Feel me? And it bounced right back. You see that? Boom. Not too bad, not at all. Alright, this one here is a little different. You know, they got it with the tag on there. Who you know doing that? They got cards. Most of these people, they got cards, but who you know doing it like this, man? Nobody but 3 Kings merch, man. So we're gonna, you know, toss that off to the side. We got 2 of those. Now this one is a little different. This one you gotta. Oh, okay, you don't gotta rip it. They actually got a little pull. It's just a little smaller one for the different do-rags, you know. Toss them off to the side. Oh, okay. This is different. I ain't never had no do-rag like this. This is totally different, man. Like, once again, nice and long little string. Nice string. All these do-rags stretch, man, so you have no reason to say. You can see that they silky. They all silkies, man. We don't do no polyester do-rags no more, man. That was like back when. All of them stretch, man. They're not gonna rip on you. Nice silky. It's gonna lay your head down, you know. And of course we gonna tie one of these on. This one's different. That's totally different. I never had one like that. This is their killer right here. This is their Durag. They all their Durag, but this is literally their brand on a Durag. You feel me? They got a gold. That's just dope. Like, that's this whole container piece. You could just, like, once this got put in here, nobody else tried this on. Nobody else put this on, because you gotta rip the seal in order to do that. And that just shows, you know, that they care about their customers and to keep their Durag for. Oh, I didn't even see the inside. Hold on, this is a two-tone. I thought it was just, you know, I was gonna flip it over and it was gonna be black on that side, but it's, oh yeah, this is different, man. This is definitely different. You know, elastic, inside real nice, stretchy. Yeah, this is real different, man. This is, like, once again, this is, you know, 3kingsmerch.com is where you go to find all this stuff. It's going to be linked down below. Alright, y'all, so, you know, of course we're going to try to do Durags on. We talked about the fabrics, we stretched them, we made sure there was, you know, everything was A1. So now, we're going to try these bad boys on, and I'm going to just show y'all how I'm going to be wearing them. You know, I might wear, you know, I'm going to just show y'all right now, boom. So, off the rip, you know, you can wear this way with it on that side, or you can wear it on this side. It's personal preference, you know. So for me, first of all, we're gonna get that lint off of there. For me, I'm gonna wear mine this way, only because there's a line right here, and I don't want a line on my forehead, because, you know, that's the back. So we're gonna try this thing on. That's how it look on my head, man. Nice little cap, and it's tight too. Like, you gotta, it's real tight on my head. You see it, it can barely fit over my head. I had to stretch it on, because, you know, I gotta adjust it to my head. That's how caps are. You gotta adjust them to your head, because at first they come real, you know, they come compressed, and then you gotta pull it over your big head and make it stretch and fit. So I'm gonna be wearing it like that, boom, or I might wind up wearing this Durag like this and throwing another one over it to double compress like this. It's really up to you on how you want to do it. But, you know, we're gonna just see how this one look. You know, a big problem with these designer Durags is a lot of them, they come with little strings. That's why these, with little strings, so, you know, you can barely tie it to your head. I've had some that were like that. These are actually pretty long. I could tie it to my head. It's not that bad, you see? You know, it probably look real dumb because I ain't looked at it, but, you know, other than that, it's real tied to my head. Let me see how I look on the mirror. Oh, actually, I did cover up the other Durag. I thought it was still sticking out. You know, that's how that one looked. Real tight. A lot of these designer Durags, they be coming and they be pulled up right here, and a lot of the stuff be just off and just all over the place. But off the rip, with these Durags, I'm telling them I have a fun time because they tie on real tight and nice. So I really like them, honestly. You know, this ain't just, you know, paid promotion or nothing like that. I really like these Durags just off the rip, because a lot of other designer Durag companies that I done got Durags from or got sent to me have been doo-doo. They were cool, but either the strings was too short. When you put it on your head, you got a big old piece pulling up like that, like how this look. I made it look like that, but just like that. And they not tight. Off the rip, this thing is already tight. Just off the first Durag that I have on under this, right here, it's already tight on my head. So I know it's gonna lay down when I'm woofing and everything. If I just keep this on for a cool 30 minutes and pull off my Durag, I'm gonna pull off this cap, I'm gonna be laid. My stuff gonna be laid in order and all that. So off the rip, let me show you all the Durags I got. Once again, these are from 3 King merch. You know, y'all gonna be seeing a lot from them, man. Definitely. I'm real satisfied with how these look. I'm really satisfied. And I'm not just talking, man, because, you know, I'm gonna keep it real over here. I don't care what the people gotta say. If I don't like the Durag, I'm gonna tell you I don't like the Durag, because I don't want my supporters to go out and get something and waste their money on bad quality. I would never steer y'all that route. So off the rip, I'm digging all 3 of these. Actually, all 4 of these. I forgot the one on my head, man. Y'all see? They real nice, real good. So, like I said, everything will be linked down below where you can find them at. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, like I said, everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification. This has been Rico the Waver. I'm out. Peace.